Hi, today let's talk about the article Swachh Bharat Mission and Jal Jeevan Mission paving way for Viksit Bharat at 2047. Swachh Bharat Mission, Gramin and Jal Jeevan Mission represent a continuum where sanitation and water converge to advance public health, uphold dignity, and enable rural transformation. Their most enduring legacy may lie not in infrastructure or services, but in governance itself, set on the principle of सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, विश्वास, सबका प्रयास. So let's begin. In 2014 and 2019, the Government of India launched two of the most defining interventions in the rural development landscape, Swachh Bharat Mission, Gramin and Jal Jeevan Mission. Neither initiative was framed merely as a service delivery mechanism for sanitation or drinking water. Instead, they represent a recalibration of governance priorities aimed at correcting long standing deficits in public health, infrastructure, and institutional responsiveness in rural India. Aligning with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's motto of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas, Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin SBMG and Jal Jeevan Mission JJM together exemplify how participatory governance can drive India's journey toward Viksit Bharat at 2047, a future in which India reaches the centenary of its independence as a developed, inclusive, and resilient nation. At the core of both missions lies a market departure from traditional top-down delivery models. The emphasis has shifted decisively towards participatory governance embedding local institutions, behavior change, and last mile service delivery into the very design of development. The government has kept Jan Bhagidari at the core of every aspect of SBMG and JJM, ensuring that communities lead decision making rather than merely receive services. By placing citizens at the center of planning, implementation, and operations, the government has transformed these missions into genuinely people owned and people managed initiatives where the strength of collective responsibility sustains both services and behavior, long after initial construction. Sustaining the sanitation momentum. India celebrated a decade of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin last year, and the mission's success story is not only etched in improved health and sanitation metrics but also in the reimagination of sanitation as a symbol of dignity, equity, and national resolve. From declaring India as open, defecation free to embedding behavior change in rural cultures, the journey of SBMG has transformed the relationship between the citizen and the state. The Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin catalyzed a nationwide shift in sanitation coverage, taking it from 39% in 2014 to 100% in 2019. The mission was different as it created decentralized systems that adapted to the needs of local communities with an objective of creating an ownership in the community where sanitation was understood, owned and sustained at the village level itself. SBM Phase 2, launched in 2020 to 2021, deepened this transformation with a focus on achieving ODF plus model open defecation free status across all villages. ODF plus model villages meant villages sustaining ODF gains managing solid and liquid waste responsibility and promoting visual cleanliness as a rural standard. As of 21st July 2025, more than 96% of India's villages are declared ODF plus, with 4.70 lakh villages categorized as ODF plus model. This growing momentum positions sanitation not merely as an infrastructure drive but as a societal shift towards holistic well-being. While SBMG redefined the rural landscape, the Jal Jeevan Mission, launched in 2019, carried forward this transformation, carried forward this transformative journey by ensuring that the gains of sanitation were complemented with access to safe drinking water. Together, these two flagship missions represent Together, these two flagship missions represent a continuum where sanitation and water converge to advance public health, uphold dignity, and enable rural transformation. Jal Jeevan Mission has expanded access to clean drinking water, achieving over 15.67 crore functional household tap connections as of 21st July 2025. This milestone, crossing 80% rural coverage, is particularly significant given India's diverse geography and the hydrological challenges faced in regions such as Bundelkhand, the Himalayan belt, the Deccan Plateau, the Eastern Ghats, and so on. The mission's steady progress in such areas speaks to its operational resilience and capacitance for adaptive implementation. A notable transformation lies in the assertion of community ownership. Gram Panchayats and Village Water and Sanitation Committees VWSCs were tasked not just with participation but with end to end responsibilities. From planning and execution to monitoring and maintenance, over 24 lakh women have been trained in using field testing kits to check water quality, signaling a profound shift in the gender dynamics of rural governance. Women who once walked miles for water now manage water systems as Jal Sakhis or Jal Sahiyas. In schools, the idea of Jal Doots, students who promote water consciousness, has found meaningful traction. Under JJM, piped water supply has been extended to schools and Anganwadi centers, creating healthier, safer, and more dignified environments for children. With reliable access to drinking and washing water, girls no longer leave school due to inadequate hygiene facilities. Instead, functioning toilets and water points reinforce attendance, promote proper hygiene practices, and advance gender equity, amplifying the mission's broader impact.